In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to recover a forgotten password on GoDaddy quickly and easily. If you can't access your GoDaddy account because you forgot your password, don't worry. GoDaddy has a simple recovery process, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you can get back into your account in just a few minutes. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and practical tech tutorials. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is go to the official GoDaddy login page. Open your browser and visit https://sso.godaddy.com. This is GoDaddy's secure sign-in page. If you're not automatically taken to the login form, just click on the Sign In button to proceed to the login screen. Once you're on the login page, look just below the password field. You'll see a link that says Forgot Your Password. Go ahead and click on that link. This will take you to the account recovery page where you can begin the reset process. Now, on the recovery screen, you'll be asked to enter the email address or customer number associated with your GoDaddy account. Make sure you type in the correct email address that you originally used when creating the account. If you don't remember the exact email but know your customer number, you can use that instead. After entering the required information, click the Continue button to move forward. GoDaddy will now start the verification process. In most cases, they will send a password reset email to the email address connected to your account. Sometimes, instead of a direct reset link, they may send you a 6-digit verification code. Next, open a new tab and go to your email inbox. Look for an email from GoDaddy with the subject line, Password Reset Request. If you don't see it in your main inbox, make sure to check your spam or junk folder just in case it was filtered there. Once you find the email, open it. If it contains a Reset Password button, click on that button. This will redirect you to a secure page where you can create a new password. If you received a 6-digit verification code instead, go back to the GoDaddy page and enter the code in the required field, then continue to the password reset screen. Now it's time to create your new password. Enter a strong and secure password that you haven't used before. A good password usually includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. After typing your new password, confirm it by entering it again in the confirmation field. Double-check to make sure both entries match exactly. Once everything looks good, click the Save button. If your password meets GoDaddy security requirements, your new password will be accepted and your account access will be restored. After resetting your password, you can return to the login page and sign in using your new credentials. Make sure to store your password somewhere secure, such as a trusted password manager, so you don't run into this issue again in the future. And that's it. That's how you recover a forgotten password on GoDaddy step by step. As you can see, the process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes if you follow the instructions carefully. If this video helped you recover your GoDaddy account, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.